Good morning, folks. How are you guys doing? I'm doing pretty good myself. Today is gonna be a special episode, a special video. Well, this year I had to do something that was really hard for me, for my wife, for my children. We had to say goodbye to our beloved dog, Chico. I'm going to the spot where I scattered her ashes. Today is just gonna be a simple tarp and a hammock. Well, this is the spot that I was talking about where we scattered the ashes of our dog, Chico, um, especially around this big tree, this big pine tree. I'm gonna set up my camp, I'm gonna hang my hammock, put up the tarp and everything. Yeah. Well, I got this hammock from Advantage. Well, that's a good hammock. It's lightweight, easy. Let's hang up this bad boy. Just comes in this handy pack. You can also hang stuff in. You know, you have all these sections on here. It's like 11 sections that you can adjust for the length that you need between the trees. You need for the thickness of the trees, and it comes handy with this carabiner hook. Just hook it on, adjust where you need to. Oh, that's the stuff. Fill this one up. One of my newest bad boys, the Elk Ridge bushcrafting knife. Comes with a leather case and has a beautiful, beautiful pattern. It's sharp. The blade runs right through here. Now I'm gonna make one ridge line with this paracord just between these trees for the tarp. 4 stakes. Oh yeah, I think I do have enough. Here's an easy way to snap this log. Take a big tree, smash it against it. Just like that. Smallest twigs, medium sticks until wrist size, and bigger logs for the best fuel. Oh, those damn mosquitoes drive me crazy, especially in the summer. So it's gonna be time to light a fire, and I'm gonna do this with Ars Furtive fire steel. It's a great set. It's a nice fire steel, also a great size. It comes in this package. You got the fire steel. Has a nice spark to it, and it also comes with this youth rope from Ars Furtive. And it's highly flammable because all of the oil that is added to the rope. So let's make a bug repellent campfire. Let's get some smoke in the air. I'll light it up. Just surrounding myself into the smoke. And before you know, you'll be bug free. Oh, I'm gonna have to relocate. God damn it. I've made a huge beginner's mistake. Because the big tree has a widowmaker in it. And in the past, I've also told about those in my videos. Here's camp. Right above there. You see him hanging? That big chunk of wood is a widowmaker. I'm gonna relocate. I'm gonna detach that. I'm gonna hook it up on that tree. So I'm gonna have my hammock over there, tarp over there. Okay, all done. Well, I've shown you guys how I made fire, how I've made this simple tarp and hammock shelter. And well, today I was here in memorial of Chico, our dog that passed away this year. I promise I will be back with you guys the next time. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you haven't, then please subscribe to my channel, and I see you the next time.